you a secret. Come here, come close. Vaccinated or not, you need to wear a mask. If you have PE and you don't have this with you,
what are we doing?
Alright, come on. Hey. I'm turned up on the jolly. I would mentally rock on hitting the block. Fucking Kodak.
what's up YouTube, it's your girl Killer Tees, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, hey girl. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my emergency kit for school. These are things that you need to have with you 100% of the time. Like, you don't want to go to school and be like, oh, I need deodorant, oh, I need lotion, oh, I need this, I need that. Just watch this video, get your notes, get all your stuff ready, and then go to the store, get you all of this stuff and then some, and go to school prepared. Who doesn't want to go to school prepared? Exactly. So before this video starts, make sure you go down below and comment when your school starts, because my school, it starts a little later. I think I start August 20 something, so all my school vlogs will be a little bit later in this month, but that's okay, you're still gonna get them. Also comment down below what back to school videos y'all would like to see, because I do want to include y'all in this journey with me. So just let me know what type of videos you guys want me to do down below in the description box, and let's get started. So I have a table full of things that I'm going to be showing you in my emergency kit. This is the bag that we're working with. This bag is big. Yes, this bag is big. Normally when we go to school, you want to have the little emergency kits, but we're going back to school with Rona and everything like that, so you want to be prepared and you want to stay safe at the same time. You don't want to be going to school getting sick and none of that. Like, we're not here for that. Who wants to be sick? Not me. So we're gonna start with this right here. This is a lint roller. I have a cat. I know if you have any pets or anything like that, your clothes is gonna have cat hair, pet hair, lint, all type of stuff. So keep this on you, because my clothes be looking messed up because I got a cat. So I just need this on me to just and then I look good. The next thing we got is scrunchies.
Oh, these are just my scrunchies. I noticed you don't have one. Really? You keep that. Don't even worry about it.
You can either get this kind or like the regular scrunchies. I really use these, but if I'm trying to be cute or if I got braids or something, I'm gonna probably use this because it helps me with like bigger hair. But whichever one, you never know if you might need it or if your friend might need it. Just take them just in case. The next thing you're gonna need if you're a girl is, you see that? Yeah, I don't really have to say too much about these. Get whatever is good for you. Like, I don't really know what to say. I mean, it's self-explanatory. You never know if you're gonna bleed and it'll leak everywhere. Like, and sometimes periods be wanting to do the little peekaboo days. Like, you don't know it's coming and then it just comes out of nowhere. Yeah, and you don't want to be the girl asking people for pads. Like, that's so embarrassing. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just bring your own and be prepared. Okay? Be prepared. The next thing is crystals. If y'all know me for real, I love crystals. Like, I'm gonna be I'm one of them. So bring your crystals. This one is clear quartz. This one is, let me show you like up close. Focus. Clear quartz is more of an enhancer stone, so like it will enhance any of your stones energy and it'll just boost it up, you know. So I always keep this one on me with whatever I'm pairing it with. I can pair it with whatever I want, so keep this one. Yes. And then I also bring this one. This one is black tourmaline. It helps you with like protection. It can protect you from bad energy, just negative energy in general. If you have this with you, it's going to protect you from it. Trust. And with this, it's really gonna protect you. Like, it's gonna be good. Then I have citrine. Citrine is, looks like this. It's like yellow, yellowish orange. This one is yellow, but it's also orange. It helps to bring in the money, like the good vibes and everything like that. And it's also a healing stone. If I don't have amethyst with me, I'm gonna keep this one with me. And also I have this with me. This is rose quartz, and I just keep this around my neck just because. Little disclaimer, this is not in any type of order, so it's not from most important to less important. It's not like that. I'm just picking stuff up that's in the bag, so whatever comes out is whatever comes out. But the next thing is money. Can y'all see it? You're gonna need some type of money on you. Me, I always rely on my card, but you do want to have money on you just in case. Say you are really hungry and you want to go to the store, or you want to go to a little pop-up thing. You're gonna need money on you. Say you want to take the bus, you're gonna need money on you. You just need money on you just in case. Just in case. And there do be times when your card want to decline even though you got money on it. You don't want to be sitting there stranded, so take some cash with you too. Okay, what's next? Oh, so this next thing is lotion. You're gonna need lotion because you don't want to be ashy. Like, who wants to be ashy? And you do be having them times when you be walking and then look at your ankles or somebody else's ankles. You be like, ooh, girl, they ashy. Help me out. But also I use fragrance lotions because I don't know, I just like them better than regular lotions. And also I don't like using perfume. It's just not for me. Like, it smells too much like alcohol, so I like to use lotion instead. But you can use whatever you want. You can use Vaseline. I also got Vaseline, so use Vaseline, baby oil. But lotion you're gonna need. Next up, we got water bottles, or water in general. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need a water bottle. You're gonna need to drink water. Gonna need to stay hydrated. Water, you guys know, water is good for skin. It's good because you need it in general. And even if you just have a water bottle, I know some schools, like my school, we have this water bottle fountain. I'll put a picture right here because I don't really know if you guys know what I'm talking about. But you just put your water bottle in it and then it pours water in the bottle. Keep water on you, or a water bottle on you at all times, period. The next thing you're going to want to bring is earphones and your charger. Charger, you already know you're gonna need it, whether that's for your phone, your AirPods, your MacBook, your whatever. You're gonna need a charger to charge it because I guarantee you once it goes dead, you're gonna be pissed. And like I said, I don't like asking people for stuff. Then you're responsible for their stuff. And if you break it, or if they give it to you broken, they want to play games with you and say you broke it. Speaking from experience. But anyway, yeah, bring your charger because you're gonna need it. Also, for this, your earphones, you're gonna need it as well, just for when you want to listen to music, or when you're doing a test and you just want to block out sounds, or whatever you need it for. But this is also good for when you're in the hallways and you don't want to talk to anybody. Put these in. You don't even have to be listening to anything. Just put these in and be like, I guarantee you, nobody's gonna talk to you when you got earphones in, because they already know the deal. They already know the drill. Use some earphones for that reason, because there's gonna be those mornings or those days where you just don't feel like talking to people. Just put these in and I guarantee you they won't talk to you. If you made it this far into the video, make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment this emoji so I know you stayed to the whole video. So we have a couple of things left. First, this is Vaseline. Vaseline, it can be used as lotion. It can be used if you trying to, yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about if you trying. I don't recommend you bringing this big old thing because you're not gonna need this big old thing. So get one of the little ones. I'll put a picture right here just in case you need some visual. But get a little one, it comes in handy. Next two things actually is deodorant and hand sanitizer. I know they're not in the same category whatsoever, but I'm gonna do them at the same time anyway. So deodorant, you already know you don't want to be the one at school musty. If you're the one at school musty, we need to have a conversation. I know everybody has those days where they're a little like funky, but if you have some deodorant with you, you're just gonna feel secure. Like, say you have PE. If you have PE and you don't have this with you, what are we doing? What are we doing? But yeah, you're gonna need deodorant because you don't want to be musty in school. Like, that's the worst smell. That's not the worst smell, but that's one of the worst smells. I don't want to be that person, please. You don't. Just take it. Take it. The pills. Yeah, so this is Excedrin, I believe. Yeah, Excedrin. And this is ibuprofen. You're not gonna bring this big old thing and this big old thing to school. You're gonna get one of those little containers, put a few in there, take that. Take you some pills when you're on your period, and when you got the headache, you're gonna wish you packed some pills, okay? And you know schools don't really allow you to bring stuff like this because I don't know, they just don't really allow it. So make sure you're kind of like sneaking into it, because you know if you go to the office and you say you got a headache, they're gonna give you water. I need more than water. They're gonna give you water, or they're gonna give you ice for your cramps. Like, who does that? They're gonna give you a heating pad and you're gonna sit there like, I wish I would have brought them pills. So go ahead and bring your stuff. So I think this is actually the last thing. If it's not, then it's not, but I'm pretty sure it is. If I left anything out, make sure you comment it down below, because I might do a part 2. Who knows? I might do another one. Obviously, I could not leave this out. I couldn't leave this out, because if you leave this, you might not even get into school. These, I don't know if you can see them. This is a pack of masks. Always bring an extra mask, because if you lose that mask, what are you going to do? We're not trying to be out here catching COVID. We're not. Bring your mask because you want to be safe. Bring your mask, bring your hand sanitizer. Make sure you wipe the desk off and stuff before you sit on it. Make sure you wash your hands before and after you eat. All of that. We don't have time to be getting sick. We really don't. Let me tell you a secret. Come here, come close. Vaccinated or not, you need to be wearing that mask. Because let me tell you something. Let me put you on game. Even though you got the COVID vaccine and you're fully vaccinated, it does not mean you cannot catch it. It does not mean you cannot catch it. It does not mean you cannot give it to someone else. So you better be wearing that mask.
Period.
So that is the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part or whatever else I said to comment down below. I've been saying a lot, so just comment and keep commenting and keep commenting. Comments help me a lot as far as likes, and also subscribing helps me a lot. So make sure to do all of that down below. I cannot stress that enough. I cannot stress that enough. It helps me so much when you guys comment. And also, if you haven't watched my last video, go watch it. The iCard will be right here, so just press it and you can go watch my last video. Last thing, go follow all my social medias. They'll be on the screen and they will also be down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.